UDr Mbuyiseni Ndonzi usekhwele wadilika kwi-March and March wayibiza nge-xenophobic movement. Kanti uGede Ihlekisa usekhiphe unhlamulo ndlela ngewindi imoto ihamba maqede wathi hamba mfana kithi.
SA News with TK Zuma.
Simbingelele sinamukele endabeni ze-SA News with TK Zuma. Sanibonani. UDr Mbuyiseni Ndonzi usekhwele wadilika kwi-March and March wayibiza nge-xenophobic movement. UNdonzi ukusho lokhu kwinkulumo yakhe yayizolo lapho eshiye khona ngalazi wabalula nokuthi i-March and March is generating hate towards Africans. UNdonzi akagcinanga lapho uqhube wathi lezi ziphaza you see those academic non-thinkers who always want to sound smart every time they're opening their mouth and they end up talking things they know nothing about. You know, here we are talking about a doctor, PhD, but clearly with a distorting sound of mind. I mean, there is difference between staying in suburbs and to stay amongst national foreigners, illegal national foreigners. You see all their wrongdoings. Clearly, yena akekho affected because yena he has 24-hour security protection. Iy'ngane zakhe zifunde ey'koleni ey'nkulu ziyagadwa nazo. Where la uNdlozi ehlala khona kuma-suburbs, there are no spaza shops around, so he's not affected. This has gone beyond political realm and debates. This is the issue of national security. These people jump our borders undocumented. They sell drugs to our children. They sell poisonous food to our children. They are killing our children. Human trafficking, they are there. Hey, xenophobic, generational. Hey, you cannot intellectualize everything. Ezinye izinto they acquire your logic nje kuphela. You are... Why can't this guy just go back to the EFF and be a puppet of Julius Malema? Because clearly he misses daddy. It's clear. Huh? Oh. Xolise. Nansi le mpungusha.
They call themselves, they're dealing with illegal immigration. That particular xenophobic movement, because they are resolving the problem amongst Africans. It's a problem amongst Africans. We are resolving it by mobilizing hate.
Unhlamulo Ndlela usexoshiwe kumkhonto wesizwe. Iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe lixoshe uNhlamulo Ndlela obe yilungu lePhalamende aphinde abe uNational Speaker walo. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi uNhlamulo Ndlela kuthiwa ukhiphe istatement ubuholi ophezulu beMK Bungazi basemmuthi. uNhlamulo Ndlela uyabona lapha kweMK akudlalwa lapha. Naye washo uNhlamulo Ndlela wathi kuyaxoshwana lapha akudlalwa lapha. So ngicabanga ukuthi nawe uyazi. Lalela iMK yaxosha umsunguli wayo. Yazi umJ bamlinda nje uthe seqedile ukuyisungula iMK kwathiwa hamba mfana kithi wahamba. Wathi wagijima inkantolo wahanjelwa ingqondo wagqoka izicathulo ezime kanjena wahamba kwaguga isicathulo. Yakutshela iMK leyana kudla nami ngabe kade ngajoyina lapha yana manje nami ngisaba kuzothi wahamba mfana kithi. Lalela iMK yaxosha uShivambu, Floyd Shivambu, a political scientist. Yey bamxosha uShivambu at the highest of his political career. Bamxosha kwathi wahamba mfana kithi. Wahamba ingqondo uShivambu wayishayisa endongeni wathi mayibuye ehamba ethi mayibuye iAfrica manje uthi kulama action lalela uthi kulama elections lawa azayo ngoNovember iAfrica mayibuye ngithi Africa mayibuye movement will win iJohannesburg with outright majority bake bamhleko manje ingqondo ayikho MK yaxoshana ixosha kambi oh Xolise nanti udaba
with the usual and necessary support. The national officials also take this opportunity to thank Comrade Nhlamulo Ndlela, who held the fort as the inaugural national spokesperson of the party, as he steps down from the role of spokesperson both in the party and in parliament with immediate effect. His contribution is appreciated. I thank you.
Suku zonke sihlangana nempica abadala nansi ke namhlanje impica abaold.
bayangithanda abazali bami. Wow. Yeah. Jula mntana musukhala ngiyohlala nawe ngeke uzushade. Waba mntana mina ngiyazi. Wow.
Ake mbukeli asizibambe lapho-ke zamanje uphinde usihlangabeze futhi kwezilandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi izindaba ze-SA News seziyatholakala ku-YouTube zizinde, zimnandi futhi zihlabahlosile. Ngena kule link ephezulu kwibhayo uhambe uyosubscribe masinyane. Izindaba ze-SA News zicheme udede futhi zithatha uhlangothi. Sorry.